Pensacola Beach Dog Park. Rules are all dogs must be on a leash. Clean up after your dog. Hours are sunrise to sunset. It's really nice. It's an area of the beach that is designated for the dogs. And it's a lot of fun for us owners. The beach is so pretty here. I love Pensacola Beach. It's gorgeous. This is the entrance here to it. And I'm going to show you the little sign. Through here. Excuse the camera of bopping up and down. There's a dog park beach sign so you can see it from the road as you're coming down. So you know where it's at. This is the parking lot. It's where everybody comes to enjoy playing with their dogs, and I am one of them. Roxy loves coming here. I have a lot of friends that have dogs. They come here as well, and it's just so much fun. It really is. It's gorgeous. I don't know if you can catch that beautiful sunset that's going on over here. It's gorgeous. Lots of hues of orange. It's pretty. There's the beach and sea oaks, sand dunes. And that's a little tour of the Pensacola Dog Beach Park. Hope you enjoyed it.